Hey guys, welcome to the Strategy Lab video. My name is Alexander Nikitin and today I have some good news for you. So good news number one is that I created a free Telegram group and a free Telegram channel. In my Telegram channel I am sharing with you some of my trades and that demonstrate how I implement my pattern recognition software, which is Monster Pattern Search for real-time trading. I'm showing you the setups, giving you some ideas of how I'm going to trade these setups. And in my Telegram group we discuss something like this: how to set take profit on bad pattern. If the bullish bad pattern completes, where do you set the trade, and so on. So asking questions, maybe talking to each other, simply chatting in this group. The group and the channel are free and you can find the invitation links in the description. And the good news number two is that the software that I will demonstrate today, the backtesting software, will be given for you for free to this group. So you watch this video as tutorial, you learn how to use this software, and then you get it in my group. Okay, let us start. First things first, what the software does, it is recording the information from your chart. So it records the date, the entry, stop loss and target. Then it calculates the risk to reward and how many pips that you have lost or you have won on each and every trade, and it records them all into an Excel spreadsheet file. So it does that routine for you and you don't need to do it manual, which is very time consuming. And then of course, based on the information from that Excel spreadsheet file, you can derive further statistics like average winner, average loss, number of winners, number of losses, percent of winners, percent of losses. Then you calculate your accuracy, profit factor, recovery factor, Sharpe ratio, maximal drawdown, and other. Okay, whatever you need. Of course, you can build your graphs in Excel if you know Excel very good. Today I will give you the minimal requirement that you need to understand if your strategy is working okay or not. The only limitation for this software to work is that you need to calculate your stop losses and take profits in advance. Because before you start recording, you need already know where is your target and where is your stop loss. They should be projected. And I think it is a good practice to have that levels in advance before you set your trade. It is to my mind. But if your strategy is something like buy and hold, and you never know when your target will be hit, and or maybe when your stop loss will be hit, if you are looking for specific condition to exit the trade, for example a breakout candle closing above your level, only this will trigger your stop loss, or only this will trigger your exit a trade with a loss, then it will be kind of difficult for you to do that. Okay, with MPS the patterns are already drawn with targets and stops. If you want to use them the default way, you simply set the settings to be displayed. If you want your own, for example, you may disable your default settings and stretch your Fibonacci first and find your target and place your maybe horizontal line to find your stop loss. Yes, and after that you activate the backtesting software to record your entry, stop and target. But before you do that, you first need to know your numbers where these levels are situated. If you are not using the default labels from the MPS, of course you can use horizontal lines, Fibonacci's, or whatever for your stops and target levels. But you should have them first before before you start. For example, here, like this. No, it's not this way. Sometimes we don't see the stop loss, yes, like this. And in this case, we need to stretch the chart this way. So another limitation is that you need to do that stretching the chart before you start recording the data. So all the levels should be seen. Sometimes the stop loss is not seen, yes, because it goes high or whatever, and outside of the chart. You first stretch it and then you click to show that stop loss to the software. So these are minor limitations, and if you are accurate, you won't find them as any problem. Okay, now let's go to the software settings first. You right click, go to indicators, and go to your backtesting. The indicator is installed as any other indicator. If you don't know, just Google how to install indicators to MetaTrader 4. Basically, you just copy and place it into the indicator folder of your MetaTrader. Let us first name it. It will be the name of your Excel file. We are doing the backtest of unified Gartley's, and we are running the algorithm which is stochastic. With this settings, 5 is the fast. I don't know what is this 5. It is a period. Then we have slow. Then we have fast. Then we have overbought and oversold conditions. So this is the algorithm, and automatically the software will add the pair and the time frame to this name. So you will always know, judging by this name, what is the pair and the time frame of your backtest in Excel spreadsheet. If you're using Forex brokers and this Forex is a 5-digit broker, then enable this as true. If your if your broker is a 4-digit broker, then enable this as false. Also, if you are going to backtest stocks, commodities, then what else, cryptos and other financial assets, this also should be false. It only makes sense to be true for Forex 5-digit brokers. Okay, 5 digits are those that have 5 digits for euro-dollar and other dollar pairs, and 3 digits for yen pairs. Okay, mine is 5 digits, that's why it is true. Okay, settings done. Then now let's talk about controls. What you need to do to activate recording mode, you need to press B, and then here you will see the label, text label, that will tell you what you should do next. After activating, it will tell you click for entry. You just click here and the entry is recorded. I want you to click at the candle, not only at price but at the candle, because software will also record the time when it triggered. Your first click gives your entry price and time. So if you click it here, your time will be this. If you click it on this candle, your time will be that. Okay, then you click on your stop loss and software records the stop loss. Then you click your take profit and it will record the take profit. So time, price of your entry, stop loss price, take profit price. The time of stop loss and take profit is not recorded. And here you will have some notifications what you already done. After that, you need to do the following. You press N if it is a winner, or you press M on your keyboard if it is a loss. When you press N, the software does this. It calculates the difference between entry and take profit. It records that difference, yes, and it records it into the file as it is a winner. If you press M, the software will calculate the difference between entry and stop loss as if you had stop loss, yes, and it will record it as a losing trade into a file. Okay, before you press N or before you press M, it records nothing. It only collects data. And for example, you just misclicked somewhere here. You were not very accurate and slightly missed the price. For example, you can always press H and you will cancel everything, and then you start from the very beginning. Until you press N or M, nothing is recorded into a file, only data is collected. So H equals cancel. Cancel. All the buttons on your, maybe cancel has one L. Okay, cancel. All the buttons are situated side by side on your keyboard. So this is B, N, M, H, and it is pretty convenient if you place ring finger, middle finger, index finger here and do it. B, click, 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 N, B, click, 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 M, B, click, 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 H, and so on and so forth. Okay, now let us see how it works. What is the name of the file? Unified God list, blah blah blah, something of this kind. Okay, so we press B. We have all targets seen on our chart. We make sure that we see them. So this will be our candle and this will be our price. B, click for entry. You see, click for stop. Now I click for target, and the result is a win. Obviously I hit my target, which is very small, and win is N. Okay, done. Now the result is recorded. Let us find the file. We go to this file, we go to the other folder. It is opened here. We open MQL4, open files, and we find our unified godly stochastic euro-dollar. So you see the name for that? Euro-$60. Open it in Excel, and here it is, how it looks. The first line is, first column is time, entry, stop, target, risk to reward, result. Okay, if you want to continue writing to the same file, then you need to close it, and now you should not save any changes. Don't save anything until you finish your backtest. Okay, all you can do if you want to modify something, then you should go here. Let me abort the mission. You should go here, save as, and you save this file. Then you modify it and do some something what you want to do with that file. But your original file stays unchanged. It should be exactly the way it was created by the software. Otherwise, the software will be unable to add more information to that. So be careful with this, be accurate and very attentive. If you are accurate, then you just don't save it, and nothing happens. We have our first trade, zoom it out. Let us find our second trade. It is very fast to find trades with MPS. You see it was triggered here, and one candle reverses, hits the target. Yes, so I type it here, place my entry. This is B, entry, then go stop, then goes target, and I press N because it is a winner. Okay, then we have this awful trade, not the trade, awful godly, looking bad. So B, then we go entry, stop, and target, and we need to press M because it was a loss. Okay, this one triggered here and it didn't reverse, so at this candle I press B, then is entry, stop, and target, and I press what? I press M because it is a loss. Okay, let's go next. Nothing here, nothing here. Here we go here to here. We didn't hit our take profit, so what I do, I press M, yes, then I click for entry, click for stop, click for target, and it is, oh sorry, I pressed B to initiate that, and it is a loss, N. B, click, 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 N. B, click, 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 M. Okay, this candle triggers a winner. Yes, B, click, 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 M, because it is a winner. Then we go next, invalidated. This one is a loss. Okay, so B, click, 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 it is M, a loss. Go here, one more loss, one more M, B, click, click. Okay, then we go here, click, it is M, a loss. Okay, all the patterns were invalidated. This one, B, click, 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 it is N, winner. This one on this candle, B, click, 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 M, invalidated, invalidated, invalidated. This one is a loss, so we calculate B, click, 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 M. Okay, another loss. We calculate B, we press B, click, 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 M. Then one more, B, click, 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 M. It is a loss. Oh, now we have a win. Let me zoom in. Entry B, click, 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 and it is N. Okay, next, incomplete. This one, another winner. B, click, click, and then you go the third click, and it is N, another winner. Okay, one more winner here, but before that, look at this. This low does not invalidate the A, so the whole larger Gartley is valid. So we press B, click, click, come on, click. This one is a loss, M. This one is a win. We had that small reaction that hits our take profit, so we press B, click, 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 and it is what? It is a win, N. Done. Invalidated. Nothing here. Here we have this loss, B, click, 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 M, a loss. Then go the win. We press B, click, 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 N, because it is a win. Sorry. Oh, right now the situation, first of all, be accurate. Let all levels appear first, and then you initiate your recording. B, then go to hit click, click for stop, and click for target. And this is a winner, M. Okay. Another winner here, B, click, and then goes click, one more time, click, it is a win, N. And this one, actually it started earlier, but I will type it as a loss, So it is what? B, click, 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 and it is M, because it is a loss. Just forgot. Guys, I created that software 5 minutes ago, so I'm not an expert using it. Didn't trade my fingers yet. Okay, B, entry, stop, and target, and it is M. It is a loss. And then we go next. Triggered. Oh yeah, it was triggered. B. Now we have stop, and now we have target. It is a winner. N. Triggered or not? Yes, it did trigger. So we press B, entry, stop, and target price is recorded. It is N, a winner. Well, I think it is enough for demonstration purposes. You see how the recording process goes. Okay, now let's go to files. Let us open the other folder. Let us find that file that we just created. It is in files, unified Gartley stochastic algorithm. You see how many trades we found already and recorded pretty fast. Okay, what I will do, I will go to save that as on my computer, maybe monster backtest, and let it be there. No, wrong format. I want to save it in Excel format, Excel book. Okay, now I have it, and the original file, you see, it disappeared. The original file stays unchanged. Here I am adding additional line. I'll add it here, additional row. It says date, then it says entry, then it says what? Stop, target, then risk reward, and pips edge. Yes, let us calculate the number of pips edge. So we start from 0, and then every time we add it to previous, so it equals our 0 plus what we generated. If it is positive, then we are adding more and more to our account. If it is negative, then we are detracting more and more from our account. Okay, moving to the downside, it is this. So our equity curve looks this way. Not that good, not so many trades, but the equity curve looks this way. We can move it. Now you see how it goes, how this particular strategy goes.